Hello everyone, so we're here from this one in this analyze of this last round of these games here, this one in Ferns Cup 2025, so it means last round of these games here from this one. So it means these are the time clocks 1 hour and 30 minutes from this long game or round robin from this one. So it means in this today's last round, so these are the close friends or best friends or friendship here from this one. So it means teammate by USA here from this one and also have a teammate from USA is between from this international master Carissa Yi versus international master Alice Lee. So it means these are the close friends or friendship or very friendship or best friends for this one. So in this today's last round of these games here in this one in this Ferns Cup in this part of this video, you have analyzed here of these chess games in this last round. So white plays e is e4, e5 Lee, knight f3, knight c6, knight c3, three knights opening, knight f6. So it means knight f6 is four knights games from this one, and also e4 is called four knights games catch variation from this one. So it means determinations and capture this pawn, knight takes captured. So it means knight takes captured here and bishop b4 without, or maybe bishop to b4 by threatening by knights or pinning by king by check. So it means determinations, or maybe upcoming by castling kingside by Lee on this one. So what do you think if you knight takes capture, knight takes d4 here from this one, and also queen takes knight. So it means these are etc here from this one. So it means these are the continuations here from this one. So back there is bishop b4 by Lee, or maybe with a pin by king by check or combinations here from this one. And also knight takes captured, temples attacks by bishop, pawn takes knight, bishop d3 without coming by yip by castling kingside by yip here from this one. So it means without castling here, and also castle kingside by Lee, castle kingside by yip. So it means castle kingside here from this one, and also rook to e8, rook to e1, and also d6 without controls or determinations here from this one, and also bishop g5 by yip without threatening by knights or pinned by queens without 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 pinning here from this one, and also h6 by Lee threatening by bishop backwards b4, rook b8. These are novelty by Lee of this game. So these are the old mainline good novelty is pawn to g5 with a tempos attacks by bishop. So it means pawn to g5 is a old mainline here from this one. So the new novelty, so back novelty is rook b8 by Lee. So it means tempos attacks or develops here from this one. So it means without develops here. And also h3, g5, so it means without threatening by bishop, bishop backwards g3, and knight d7 by Lee. So it means without knight d7 here from this one. And also e5 without pushes, without tempos attacks by pawns, already captured this one. Without, or if we capture this one, and without coming by rooks, without captured here from this one. So it means without captured. And also knight takes captured, bishop takes knight, and pawn takes bishop. So it is the first puzzle. So what do you think the capturing here, the finding the brilliant sacrifice move by Carissa Yip in USA? So while waiting for copy for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much, and congrats for everyone. Boom! Rook takes e5. Brilliant move by sacrifice. The rook! I thought I got the chess set here from this one. So it means sacrifice brilliant move by Carissa Yip. And bishop to e6. So for example, So what do you think if you rook takes sacrifice by rooks here from this one? What do you think from this one? So it means if you decided this one is knight to c, knight to e4, or maybe here by a3 without moving here from this one. These are the examples, or etc here from this one. So it means slightly better spam blocks. So back there, this one is bishop to e6 by d here from this one, and queen f3. So it means without queen f3 here from this one, and also bishop to f8 without bishop to f8 without moving here, or maybe here without decided this one is bishop to d5 without threatening by rooks here from this one. So it means without controls here from this one, and also rook d1 by yip, or without pinning by queens, or without pin here from this one. So it means without develops by connecting here from this one, and also bishop to g7 without tempos attacks by rook. So it means does not want of this computer engine by Lee. So it means bad move. So the one's computer currency move is bishop to d6. So it means bishop to d6 without tempos attacks by rooks. So it means without rooks here. So it means if you decided this one is rook to e2. So it means etc here from this one. So it means likely better from whites here from this one. So it means these are the determinations, or slightly better here. So back there is bishop to g7 by Alice Lee, or without threatening by rooks, or tempos attacks by rooks here from this one. And also bishop h7 check. So it means sacrifice the bishop. So it means got a chess set here from this one. So it means bishop h7 check, sacrifice. So it means without sacrifice here. So it means good move. And king takes captured. So it means so it is either realized here. So if you check here, so check, or upcoming by rook, upcoming attacks by queens here from this one. So it means without attacking this one by queen develops here from this one. So let's continue bishop h7 check, good move by Yip, and decided is king takes bishop without sacrifice, and rook takes queen without rook to rook. I know, so it means no more queen by Lee. So it means without no more queen by Lee. So it means rook takes captured here, and rook takes captured. So it means these are code is slightly opposite color bishop. So it means opposite color bishop, or square root by whites and blacks. So it means it's called slightly opposite color bishop here from this one. So it means opposite color bishop, and also rook e2. So it means these are the bad move by Yip. So it means question mark. So it means wrong move. So the best moves there is one is rook backwards e1. So it means never by move by rook to d1. So it means without controls or develops here from this one. So these are the examples by continuations here from this one. So after this one is rook e2 by Yip from this one, and rook takes captured without pawn. So it means without continuations here from this one. And also queen e4 check, and also king h8. Queen takes pawn without captured pawn here from this one, and rook b4, and also queen c5 without threat by rooks, rook to c4. So it means without threatening by queens, or maybe here from this one threatening by tempos attacks by queens here from this one. So it means attacking this one by queen, and decided queen e7, good move by Yip, or without threats by rooks or tempos attacks by rooks here from this one. So it means without threats by rooks here from this one. And also rook b8, or maybe here with a decided this one is controls here from this one. And also knight e4, without knight e4, without knight e4 here from this one, without knight e4. And also rook c6. So it means without rook c6 here from this one, and rook d2, king h7, knight f6 check, and also king g6, and knight d7 with a threatening by rooks, or tempos attacks by rooks without attacking this one by rooks here from this one, and also rook c8, so it means bad move. So it means bad move by d. So it means the best moves there is one is rook to b1 check. So it's rook b1 check, and decided this one is king h2. So it means etc here from this one. So it means slightly better schools from whites and blacks. So back there, this one is rook c8 by Lee here from this one, and rook e2. So it means error move by Yip. So it means wrong move. So the best moves there is one is g3. Is that g3? Oh, g3. So it means g3 is the best moves. These are the valuation bar is very higher from this one. So it means valuation bar here from this one. So back there, this one is rook e2. So it means without rook e2 here, so it means X move, and rook d6, knight e5 check, good move by Yip without good moves, and bishop takes captured, rook takes captured, and bishop e7 without movement here from this one. So the second puzzle. So what do you think the second puzzle, the another finding brilliant sacrifice move by Carissa Yi? So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much and congrats for everyone. Rook to d5, another brilliant move by Carissa Yi. The rook. I thought Catan chess said here on this one. So it means the rook. Rook d5 here. So it means rook d5 by sacrifice here, and rook takes captured. Rook takes captured. So it means these are the no more rooks by Yip here from this one. So it means rook takes captured. So it means double rooks, and bishop by Lee from this one. So it means three pieces, and also one queen only by Yip. So it means how do you do from this one? It is controlled by determinations here from this one. So let's continue. Rook takes captured by d5, and queen e4 check, good move. Without tempos attacks by rooks. Rook f5 here. So it means without defense here from this one. And also g4. So it means good move by Yip. Another good move here from this one without threatening by rooks, and c6. Without c6 here, without controls here from this one, without c6 here, and king h2. So why don't we pawn takes book sacrifice? So what do you think from this one? And also king 2. Where they put this one, and king to g7. So it means without move here or controls. If you move by here check, and king to h7, and queen takes capture bishop. So it means etc. So it means without threats by rooks here, and decided. So what you put here, and decided this one. If you this determinations here from this one. So what you put in rook to a8, or maybe here by controls here from this one, or maybe here by rook to f8. So it means slightly better schools here from this one. So back there, this one is king h2. So it means without, oh, king h2 check. Okay, that's correct. So it means king h2, and also h5 without captured here, and pawn takes rook. So it means one rook down by Lee. So it means one rook down by Lee. So it means, so bishop by rooks by Lee, and one queen only by Yip. So it means without 2 versus 1. And bishop takes captured without threatening by queens, and queen c4. So it means bad move. by Yip. So the best moves there is one is queen to a4. Without queen a4 or maybe without threatening by pawns or determinations, and decided this one is rook to c7, etc., etc. So it is likely better strong blocks. So back there, this one is queen c4 and also f6, another mismove by Lee. So it means without another mismove. So the one's computer so the one's computer from this one, the best moves there is h4. So it means without h4 here or continuation. So it means these are the determinations or defense here from this one. So back there is f6 by B and also h4 sacrifice. Oh no sacrifice here. Pawn takes captured, queen takes pawn, and also bishop takes c2 captured, or maybe the determinations here from this one. Queen g3 check would move, and also king f7. Queen h3, so it means another bad move by Yip, so it means another bad move. So the best moves there is queen to f3. Tempos attacks by pawns, so it means relies here from this one. So it means tempos attacks. So back there, this one is queen h3 here, or maybe bad move here from this one. And also rook c7, queen takes captured check, without captured, bishop g6 defense, threatening by queens, queen a5 without threatening by rook, without threatening by rooks here from this one, and also rook to e7, f3, king g7, and also a4 without continuations. Bishop to e6 doubles by pawns, and queen c5, king f7 without defense, or maybe here by king c5 without threatening by rooks. Tempos attacks by rooks here from this one. So let's continue. This one is king f7 defense by rooks, and also king g3 and king e6. So it means bad move by Lee. So the best moves there is rook to e5 with the tempos attacks by queen. So it means rook to e5. So it means rook to e5 here from this one. So let's continue. Go back is king to e6, and also queen c4 check, good move. King d6, king f4, king must be active. Bishop f7 with the tempos attacks by queen or tempos attacks by queens here from this one. And also queen b4 check, c5 threatening by queens. Queen b8 check, king d5 check, king e6, and queen d3 without, or maybe without, move by king to e3 check, or maybe by king to f5 check here from this one without check. And rook c7, queen a6 check would move, king d5, and also queen takes captured without movement here or captured. Rook e7, king e3, c4, f4 without f4 by moves here, and king c5, queen a6, without check, or maybe without coming by check here from this one. And rook takes captured check, and king d2. King d2 here, so it means without king d2, rook d7 check, king c3, rook d3 check. Check here. King c2, rook d7, and f3, f5. Sorry, so it means f5. So it means without f5, bishop d5, king c3, bishop f7 backwards, and also king c8 check, king d6, king d4, king must be active. Rook c7 with a threatening by queens. Threatening by queens or tempos attacks here from this one. Queen h8 with a check. Coming by check here or without check. So check here from this one without check here. And also rook e7, queen f6 check, king c7 opening by check, so it means rook by check here. And also king c5, rook d5 check, king b4, good move. a5 check, sacrifice. No sacrifice here from this one. No more sacrifice. King c3, rook d3 check, king c2. Oh, we got king c2. Bishop d5, or maybe bishop to d5 here, and queen a6 here from this one, or without captured. Without captured or check. It is without captured here from this one. And also rook c3, rook f3, sorry, so it means rook f3. So rook f3 without tempos attacks by pawns, or maybe by f5 here from this one, and f6, c3, without pushes or without sacrifice. Queen e2, without queen e2 here, and king d6. Queen e7 check, without doubles. And nothing by check, so it means without check here, or maybe good move. So it means these are the queen, or maybe here from this one without queen, or upcoming by check, without check here from this one without check. So it means queen e7 check, good move by Yip, king c6, and queen e2 without go back. Without without check. So it means queen b5 check, or without check here from this one without queen b5 check. And also king d6 without no more by check, and also queen e7 check. Repeat again, so it means without repeat. Good move, another good move by Yip. King c6, king e5, so it means bad move, bad move by computer. So the best moves there is, one is king to e8 check, so it means without king 8 e8 check. If you decided this one is king d6 and king e7 check, so it means without check. So it means controls here from this one. So back there is queen e5, and also king c5, good move by Lee. f7, another bad move, so the best moves there is queen to e7 check. So it is without check here from this one. So back there, this one is f7, rook f2 check. These are the problems by virus by my laptops here. So let's continue. Rook f2 check, and also king takes captured, rook takes f7 captured, queen e3 check, and also king c5, king d4, rook d7. Good move by Lee. Without good move, and queen c3 check, king b7, queen captured pawn, king b8. So it means bad move by Lee. Bad move. So it means bad move by. So it means without bad move, without controls here by determination. So it means bad move. So the one's computer, the best moves is king to c8. These are the evaluations bar here from this one, so it means queen c8. The back there is king b8, queen d5 check, good move, king c8, king c5, bishop b7, and queen b4, rook c7 check, king d4, rook c6. Without rook c6, or I don't know what this determinations here from this one. And also king f8 check, king c7, queen e7 check, king b8, queen d8 check, king a7, queen a5 check, king b8, queen a5 check, king a7, queen a5 check, king b8, queen b8, this king b8, queen a5, queen a7, queen a5, king b6, queen e5 check, king a7. So it means three repetitions draw from this one. So it means draw. So draw from this one. It is tie draw here from this one. So it means the score from this appearance by whites by Yip is 90.6. Without 90.6 here from this one, so it means 19.6 by Carissa Yip, and the score by black pieces by Alice Lee is 19.3. So it means the win from this one, Carissa Yip. From this one, Carissa Yip. These are the continuations here from this one. So these are the final results of this one after round number 9. So let's see from this one. So these are the final results from this one in this after round number 9 here from this one. So So it means the gold medals from this one. The first place from this championship by International Master Kari Sayib, so it means 6 points. And the second place by silver medals by this one is in International Master in USA is Alice Lee, and the bronze medal by here. So it means International Master Alice Lee from 5.5 points here from this one. And the third place 5 points in this bronze medal from this Grandmaster in India, Sarika Dronavali. Number 4.5 points by Grandmaster Hampi Conero, and 4.5 points by Grandmaster in Georgia is Nana Znavnisdi. I don't know what's the last name. And same by 4.5 points by Poland by International Master Alina Kashlinskaya, and 4.5 points by Kazakhstan International Master Bibisara Asabayeva, and 4 points by Ukraine from this one Grandmaster is Maria Musichuk, and 3.5 points by China Grandmaster Tang Zongi, and last by 3 points by Georgia by Grandmaster Nino Bashashvili from this one. So the winner from this champion by Crons Cup 2025 is International Master Carissa Yu. Congratulations from this one. So I hope this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Loag 17, aka Mark 17. Have a good day and keep safe and keep updates. This next chess updates. Have a good day. Bye bye.